Hi, this is Highbridge Motorhomes Devon branch on a very humid late June or mid to late June 2025 day. We're out here doing some videos on some of our freshly arrived part exchanges. We've had some really nice stuff just come in, so I've just done a really nice Adria Twin GT video, very rare van, and then we're on to this one, which is another very rare van. It's a 2019 Wildax Constellation, which in itself is not the most common of vans, but it's not that rare. But this one is a super rare special order from new Fiat automatic based one. You don't see them very often. So Wildax, part of the Rapido group, but based out of Elland in Yorkshire, and still very much a family run family run company. They do sort of high end UK van conversions with European levels of capability. The Constellation was their first model back in 2008, and it's a big front lounger, which is something which used to dominate the van conversion layout world. But then people started doing fixed beds, end lounge, other things, and the end lounges, the front lounges, got forgotten a little bit. But actually, we've seen a big resurgence in them, particularly from COVID onwards, as you can park up, you've got your big lounge, nice for you, so you're maximising your use by integrating the cab as part of your lounge. So this is one of the few 6 metre sort of production non-fixed bed front lounge vans you'll see around. So at the time you had to special order, because Wildax built on Citroen, but if anybody wanted an automatic they would special order a Fiat cab with the 6-speed semi-automatic gearbox up to 2019. That's what this has. So they're all, when you rarely see them, and we were Wildax dealers in 2019, I don't think we sold any, because we just sold what we had, which were the Citroens, but the desirability for automatic now is unprecedented, so this is a real big selling point. So special order from new in lake blue metallic, very very pretty colour. It's got the, let's have a little look at the window sheet anyway. So it's a Wildax Constellation 3, so that means it's a 3 seatbelt 6 metre one. It's got the 6-speed automatic gearbox based on the Fiat Ducato. That's a 2.3 130 horsepower. It's not a 3 berth, it's a 3 seatbelt 2 berth, 3.5 tonnes, so a good payload, but no need for a C1 driving licence. It's only done 20,000 miles from new. It's 2 owners from new, and the people we took it in part exchange from, lovely couple, just changed for a different layout, and they've had it almost all its life. 5.99 metres long, it's 2.05 wide, not 2.35, and height's about 2.65. Price is $52.95, which should stack up very well. We always internet price check our vans, and with all of our stuff that would include a major engine service. The camber will be done if it's not been done, because it's due on age, if not on mileage. Habitation service, valid 12 months warranty. So fully colour coded throughout, coming with a smart 16-inch Fiat 2-tone alloy wheels. You've got manual fold, electrically adjustable heated door mirrors, fly screen door, and this is why you buy the front lounge van. Look at that massive, comfortable, open front lounge, really, really good. Double glazed windows all the way through. As standard, they were tinted. These are clear, so that's something else that this van has been ordered with that you don't see on your run-of-the-mill Wildax. So lots and lots of light. It's one of the lightest vans you're going to find out there. It's just a really, really nice thing. Silver Thule Omni-Store full-length awning. You can just see on the roof there is a TV aerial, and there's also a very large solar panel up there as well, which was a after-market sort of dealer fit, not factory fit option at the time. Minimal Wildax graphics, good looking, modern looking van. Factory fitted reversing sensors and a high level factory fitted reversing camera. So at the back you've got an opening window and a big galley kitchen. This van's also been specially ordered with the Zebrano wood, which was a high gloss wood finish, which I can find a bit oppressive on some vans, but it just works with this van. It works so well with the amount of light in it and the 2-tone with the cabinet work. It's a great looking van inside and out, it really is, particularly with this special order cream upholstery as well. Emptying point for your Dometic toilet. Full Thetford oven, we'll have a look at that more from the inside. Proper concertina blinds and fly screens in all your windows. That sticker there says it's got an Outsmart the Thief lockdown alarm and immobiliser and tracking system fitted on it as well. That we won't guarantee, you won't need one at this price point for your insurance, but we will check it and of course let you know if it's working. Mains hookup, kitchen window, flue for your gas and electric, Truma blown air heating and hot water, drain points for your fresh and waste water drain tanks, which are heated, fresh water fill up point there. Those tanks are around about the 100 litre mark, and they're heated and insulated as standard, so it's a grade 3 skiing capable fully winterised van. Front lounge window, gas comes from an underslung gas tank, that's 25 litres. You can fill up with LPG, and of course you can fill that up anywhere at home or abroad, and that powers your heating and hot water and your fridge when you're not on the mains. Cab spec was always excellent with Wildax. You've got full Remis concertina blinds. With the automatics, you've got the leather gear stick and steering wheel. You've got the gas tank gauge there. You've got the 5.5-inch TomTom factory fitted Bluetooth DAB stereo system, which does have nav. It's going to be a bit dated now. You could update that whole unit to a different one with Apple CarPlay and stuff if you wanted, but it's functional and it's easy to use, which is the best thing. Cruise control, aircon, heated mirrors, ASR advanced traction control, and of course central locking, and 3 glove boxes, one of which is cooled by the air conditioning system. And this really nice light Wildax special order upholstery. So it's a Euro 6 van, but there's no AdBlue, so you've got the latest emissions compliance for your low emission zones, but there's no AdBlue needed. They tweaked the EGR valve. Fiat were the only van in 2019 that achieved Euro 6 status without AdBlue, so one less thing to think about. Twin swivelly cab seats, and then for your bed, you've got a huge double bed that simply slides across, that slides out, or this will spring out all the way up to there. There's a zip on infill for there, and that gives you 2 6-foot single beds if you prefer, without using the cab seats, which is really, really good. Beautifully finished, as you can see throughout, with the curved wood, the big opening skylight. You've got a TV point there for your TV, factory fitted. CBE control panel, push button job, does everything you want it to do, tells you how much water and electric you've got, and then on off buttons for everything else. Nice and simple. Big lounge window, loads of sockets, a double USB and a mains there. Good bit of storage over the cab, where you'd probably be able to roll your bedding up, get it in up there, and one of your table legs. You've got 2 tables stored back there, and they can be placed in any one of 3 positions. You can put both in there to make one big table, one there is your coffee table, all the way around. So there's a storage drawer there, there's storage there, and there's your combi boiler, gas and electric heating and hot water underneath there. 2 nice scatter cushions. They've even made use of the area behind the headrest to give you an extra little cubby hole there. Oh, which is shelved out. They didn't used to be. That's cool. TV aerial booster point. It's got the digital Truma combi boiler control for your heating and hot water. And then look at this for a kitchen. Remember, this is only 6 metres, this van, folks, but what a brilliant kitchen. So loads and loads of storage drawers, massive amounts of worktop, nice deep sink with its original washing up bowl and draining board still with it. Oh, and a chopping board. Wow, its original chopping board still there. You don't get that very often. That's a Nature Pure factory fitted water filter system. So if you put a filter underneath of that tap in it, that will filter, in theory, all of your tastes away from your onboard fresh water, so you can drink the water from the fresh water tank and it won't taste the plastic. How effective that is, I'm genuinely not sure, but it's there. It's a bonus, isn't it? So that's the combination oven, grill and 3 gas burner hob that we saw from the outside. Yeah, just loads and loads of storage, and 2 sockets back there, so you can run your toaster, your air fryer, your kettle when you're on the mains. Quarter washroom, so you've got your Dometic toilet with its ceramic toilet bowl, shower hose over there, skylight for ventilation, towel rail, storage locker, and back in 19 you had the drop down sink. I like drop down sinks, they've gone out of fashion, but I think they make good use of the space. Speaking of space, you've got a huge 3-way fridge, or huge, very large 3-way slimline fridge freezer from Thetford. Pull out drinks fridge at the bottom. 2 wardrobes, hers and hers, so high level one, then your lower one, which I would be tempted to maybe use. That's your second table and table leg. I would be tempted to use that maybe for my outdoor stuff. And then another storage cupboard above here. Now in here is a Wi-Fi system. There's a Wi-Fi mast little disc thing on the roof, and it's got this router here. Now I don't know what system it is. I'm surmising it must be a motorhomewifi.com one. It looks like it, but there's nothing that says motorhomewifi.com because it's an aftermarket audio visual accessory. We won't be guaranteeing it, but it's switched on there, so that'll give you, if you put a data only SIM in it, mobile Wi-Fi on the road, which I'm contemplating getting one fitted into my own van soon, so just gives you that signal where you might not have a signal otherwise. So it's 52,995. You'd pay to this spec probably about 82 for a new one. It's done 20 odd thousand miles. It's an automatic, that's the big selling point. It's got the solar panel, it's got the TV aerial, it's got the Wi-Fi, it's got aircon, cruise, it's got cab lines, reversing camera, reversing sensors, DAB, Bluetooth, stereo and sat-nav, and it will come with a new MOT. The cam belt will be changed if it hasn't been changed, a full habitation service, a full engine service, and our own industry-leading 12-month in-house used van warranty. So give us a call on 01626 832 792, like the little footrest there for the passenger seat as well. So that's 01626 832 792. You can text or WhatsApp the mobile 07432 662 558 and drop us an email, jdw4@highbridgecaravans.co.uk. You can pop in and see us. You can see them cars there over there. That's the A38 South Devon Expressway. So the M5 at Exeter's just there, and Plymouth's just down there. Newton Abbott's just this way. So we're right on the busiest road in South Devon, and you just come along here, you'll see all of our vans, and you can turn right into us. So dead easy. Got loads of other vans, but this one won't hang around. So it's a 6-metre Wildax Constellation automatic 52,995 at Highbridge Motorhomes, Devon branch. Thank you very much. Goodbye.